There are lots of great reasons to love life insurance. But at its core, life insurance is income replacement. In a recent study, 44% of Americans said they would face financial difficulties within 6 months if their primary family provider passed away. And almost a third of Americans who bought coverage did so for the income replacement. Everyday people from all walks of life have relied on life insurance for generations during life's most difficult moments. It's there when you need it most. Its death benefit can help pay the bills, cover tuition, or pursue a lifelong goal. It helps your family go on, loving life. That means peace of mind. Because life insurance is protection for the people who matter most. An opportunity for you to be ready for the unexpected. Talk to your agent today to find out how cost-effective a life insurance policy can be, and make sure your loved ones are protected.